Welcome to the brief overview video for AccessPharmacy. AccessPharmacy from McGraw Hill Medical is designed to meet the changing demands of pharmacy education and practice today. It provides pharmacy students, faculty, residents, and pharmacists with access to trusted authoritative content, including leading pharmacy textbooks. Updated regularly and optimized for viewing on any device, this comprehensive, content-rich online pharmacy resource allows users to explore leading pharmacy references, search curriculum topics, and research drugs and supplements. AccessPharmacy is guided by a preeminent advisory board that includes two top academic experts, Terry L. Schwinghammer, PharmD, and Joseph T. DePiero, PharmD, making it the field of pharmacy's most trusted website. This online resource provides instant access to a plethora of videos, self-assessment tools, and leading pharmacy textbooks that establish an important foundation for learning. Additionally, practicing pharmacists are able to get information instantly about drugs, herbs and supplements, and consult features and editorials concerning the vast array of current pharmacy publications. AccessPharmacy provides unique benefits that deliver indispensable support in pharmacy education and actual practice. During this overview video, we will explore the many interactive features that AccessPharmacy offers. Note that all of AccessPharmacy's content is optimized for mobile, so you can view it on your tablet or phone at any time. Feature titles are available on the homepage for quick access, and all titles are organized by categories under the Books tab, where you'll find a robust collection of leading references central to pharmacy education, including the complete current edition of the most comprehensive text on pharmacotherapy available today, DePiero's Pharmacotherapy, a Pathophysiologic Approach. Let's take a look at DePiero's as an example. This textbook provides optimal patient outcomes using evidence-based medication therapies, updated with the latest advances and guidelines. Notice that every resource in AccessPharmacy, including books, book chapters, and book sections, has a durable URL which you can embed in your LMS. Once you click on a chapter, let's say Chapter 1, you can use the taskbar to jump to sections, download a chapter or chapter section PDF, share, generate a citation, and search within the textbook. You can also view figures and tables on the chapter page, either embedded in the text or through the tabs here. Figures and tables can be downloaded from the text, added to your My Access profile favorites, or viewed in full size and printed. At the beginning of each section, you can open Read Speaker, which allows you to listen to the text. It is great for auditory learning and listening on the go. The tool allows for customizable text coloring and has options to adjust playback speed. You can also take notes in the online text and share them with others using Hypothesis. Note that you will need to create a separate account for Hypothesis, but it is free to make. Now let's take a look at AccessPharmacy's extensive multimedia collection under the Video and Audio tab, which features 250 plus assets, including animations, videos, and lectures drawn from the top titles in the field. Detailed drug interaction animations of complicated concepts, adapted from the world's most respected medical text in pharmacology, Goodman and Gilman's The Pharmacological Basis of Therapeutics, and videos illustrating fundamental medical concepts drawn from the world's most trusted medical textbook, Harrison's Principles of Internal Medicine, give pharmacy students the breadth of knowledge necessary to become an integral part of a healthcare team. Let's take a look at Harrison's Pathophysiology animations, which explains complex pathophysiology concepts in beautifully animated, easy-to-understand brief videos. Each episode covers a disease mechanism, and the average episode length is around 4 to 8 minutes. Under Study Tools, users can access hundreds of flashcards to study prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and injectables. Many pharmacy students are required to know the top drugs inside and out, and the flashcards and top drug challenges help them to do so. Courses in therapeutics and disease state management include course syllabi, PowerPoint slides, and assessments designed for students seeking self-study and review and faculty developing course materials for online or traditional lecture formats. Pharmacy management curriculum PowerPoints provide the user with lecture and comprehension questions. Review questions from trusted resources can be compiled into automatically generated or customized quizzes. Once you complete a quiz, you can email the results to yourself, your instructor, or others, retake it to improve your score, or print the results for offline review. Review questions also contain NAPLEX Central, which contains all the resources you need to prepare for the NAPLEX, including Q&A, videos, and suggested readings. In addition to practice tests that mimic the NAPLEX test experience, NAPLEX Central contains review questions, videos, and texts for NAPLEX review. You can find this content in other places in the site. For example, the NAPLEX videos can also be accessed under videos and audio. Students can also take timed practice tests and view their performance analytics in exam categories. The content is gathered here in one easy spot for those who intend to take the NAPLEX. Under Cases, you can view more than 150 drug therapy cases with questions and care plans that students can design and submit to faculty to aid in critical thinking and problem analysis. Instructor resources are available for the pharmacotherapy casebook and standardized patient cases. Under the More tab, you can find Quick Reference. Quick Reference provides tools designed to assist in making clinical diagnosis and treatment decisions at the point of care. For instance, the Herbs and Supplements database contains more than 1,100 unique entries with information about herbs and supplements, including interactions, dosage, effectiveness, safety ratings, and toxicology. Medline Plus Herbal takes you to an external National Library of Medicine website where you can browse dietary supplements and herbal remedies to learn about their effectiveness, usual dosage, and drug interactions. Quick Answers provides concise, practical, expert information on the pharmacotherapy of common disorders. It is designed for quick and easy access to the drug therapy information you need for decision-making in the clinical setting. FDA MedWatch provides clinically important safety information regarding human medical products. Lastly, we have Topics in Evidence-Based Pharmacy Practice. This is a continually updated collection of features and editorials that review, examine, and comment on the overload of information in the pharmacy field. Features are reviews of clinical trials, studies, and guidelines that examine the validity of approach, methodology, and results, and make recommendations that can affect decision-making. Editorials allow leading and emerging minds in the field to express their opinion on the ever-changing world of pharmacy practice. You can find information about drugs under the More tab. Standard drug data found under Drugs gives you access to quality, current drug information. Drug monograph data includes clinical pharmacology, indications and usage, contraindications, warnings and precautions, and many more. There is a searchable drug page, and on that page, you can sort by generics, trait names, drug classes, and patient handouts. Note that only approved FDA drugs are included, and there are no emergency use authorized therapeutics in this database. Under More, you can find Patient Education. Patient education includes customizable handouts that provide comprehensive, reliable healthcare information. They are available in multiple languages and customized as PDFs. Users can look for specific content on the site using the search bar over here. Let's say we're interested in content on antibiotics. Once you hit enter, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. Notice that users can filter results, add terms, and use the search builder to modify searches, filter by format, and narrow down by textbooks and topics. Under More, you can also find Instructor Resources. Instructor Resources are available to faculty, librarians, and residents involved in instruction. To request access, please create an Access profile and reach out to customer success at mheducation.com from your institution's email account. AccessPharmacy supports librarians with administrative features and outreach resources to help your institution get the most from your subscription. Promotional materials and resources are located under the Support tab in the black bar on the top of AccessPharmacy or at the bottom of the page. Helpful resources are also available on the AccessPharmacy LibGuide, and information there can be incorporated into your own guides. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about AccessPharmacy, please contact customer success at mheducation.com. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact the customer success team. Thank you for watching this brief overview video.